Midnight road, the engine starts. The highway shines in light. The wind is calling through the dark. Adelbert drives tonight. Damn, she drives on.